So today we're gonna apply what we have learned in our previous examples of differential equations. So we're gonna solve a problem. So the problem is, in the inversion of cane sugar, raw sugar yields by hydrolysis a mixture of dextrose and levulose at a rate that varies as the amount of raw sugar remaining. If after 10 hours, 1,000 kg of raw sugar have been reduced to 800 kg, how much raw sugar will remain at the expiration of 24 hours? So, as we all know, an identified problem is already half the solution. So, at the first look, we might think that this is chemical reaction, but it's not. It's growth and decay. So, the raw sugar is just varies directly as the amount of raw sugar remaining. So dq over dt is just this one. So as we all know, the growth and decay has this form of dq over dt K over Q. So, transferring this Q here, dQ over Q KT, KDT. Then, integrating, so ln of Q is just equal to KT plus C. So, in order to get the value of this, we have to raise this to the E. So Q is just equal to E to the KT plus E to the C. But Q is just C times E to the KT. So in order for us to know the value of C, we have to plug in the value of 1,000 kilograms, since 1,000 kilograms is its initial value. So at T is equals to, at T is equals to 0, we have the initial value of N. So N sub O is just equal to C E to the K 0, and N is equals to N sub O E to the KT. As we all know, N sub O is just equal to 1,000 kilograms. So now we have the value of C. So Q is just 1,000 E to the KT. So in order for us to get the value of K, we have to plug in this 800 kilograms. So we're given that at T is equals to 10 hours, we have the value of Q at 800 kilograms. So just plug this in. So 800 kilograms is just equal to 1,000 kilogram E to the 10K. So dividing it, so we have 8 over 10 E to the 10K. So we have to get its ln so that this 10K here will be will be there. So getting its ln, we have 8 over 10 10K over 10 over 10. K is, using the calculator, we have negative 0.0223. So, going back to our equation, Q is just 1,000 E negative 0.0223P. So this is the equation. But we're asked to find the remaining sugar at the expiration of 24 hours. So Q of 24, 1,000 E negative 0.022324. Using our calculator, we get Q is equals to approximately 585 kilograms.